Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video. We took a break for one day so that everything just calmed down a little bit. I think the rain was pretty harsh on us, including the cyclone, but we are back. I hope all of you who's watching, they are safe and sound at home. A request to all of you, there's no hurry in watching the videos. You can just keep them saved. Whenever everything is absolutely fine and you're 100% in the right frame of mind, do you or must you watch the videos. So today I'm going to be trying out a little multi-cuisine delivery joint. So they'll be sending us food. We're getting food delivered from a place called the Tasty Buds. The issue with self-vlogging is every time there's this massive fear that you've started reviewing the food, but you've forgotten to turn the camera on. So that mane bar amake giye check korte hoy je ekdom sure ache kina. The last thing you want is you've reviewed everything, you go to press stop and then you see that you haven't even pressed right. I think a lot of you who've done videos would be able to relate with this. Anyway, the first item which we have today is a Chinese combo. So you have a chili chicken as well as some rice. So let me just pour the rice first. The quantity is pretty decent. So you have a lot of egg in this chicken, beans, carrots. Along with this, we have a portion of chili chicken. So I'll just take a little bit of this gravy. This looks a little rich. It has a lot of capsicum, chilies, onions too, but let's take a bite first of the fried rice. Honestly, the first look wasn't very good. It looked very basic, but when I take the first bite, it tastes good. Next up is the chili chicken. It's a little tough, but it's very fresh inside, as you can see from the color. The chili chicken too has the same review. It does not look very impressive when you look at it. But when you take your first bite into this chicken, it's actually pretty fresh and it tastes good. It's kind of juicy inside. Appearances can be deceiving. Next up is a Bengali special chicken curry. So let me start with the rice. Sufficient for me. আমি শুধু taste করবো because there are actually 3 meals. So a lot of you complain every now and again that why don't I eat more than what I do. Trust me, when this keeps happening every day, there comes a time when you actually don't feel like eating too much. Acha, the thing about the dal which I've noticed is, I mean, if you want to look at the positive, it's pretty thick. If you want to look at the negative, it's kind of solidified. Halka গরম করে খাওয়াটা is going to be better. যেহেতু আমার মধ্যে অতটা পেশেন্স নেই বলে আমি এইভাবেই শুরু করে দেবো, বাট if you guys are ordering this, you can definitely, you know, heat it up a little bit. Now the thing about the aloo bhaja which I wanted to tell you guys is that this is the kind of aloo bhaja which I actually prefer. Normally ঝুরি আলু ভাজা যেগুলো আমরা বলি ওগুলো এতটা বেশি ফ্রাইড হয়ে যায় যে it actually doesn't retain any aloo ka taste whatsoever. Whereas this one over here, as you can see ভেতরের দিকে একটু কম ভাজা আছে. This at least it will give me some aloo ka taste. So ei jinishta I would want to give them a thumbs up for this. Anyway, let's see how it tastes. The dal has a sweet flavor. I can also get the flavor of ghee in this, so that's pretty good. This combination is amazing. dal and the aloo bhaja. A big, big, big thumbs up. Next, I'll be trying the chicken. I can see 1, 2, 3. 3 থেকে 4 piece ছোট বড় মিলিয়ে হবে. So you have 2 to 3 pieces, big and small. This is what the chicken piece looks like. It's again a little tough when you're trying to break it, but inside it's pretty fresh. So it will be perhaps the cooking. I think if you can just alter the cooking method a little bit and make the chicken softer as well. Since half the work is already done that you're giving fresh chicken, I think you can work slightly on the preparation of this dish. Now this chicken has been made very homely style. You won't get a lot of flavors, but it certainly is pretty tasty. I actually like their aloo bhaja so much that I'm really retaining them with my next meal as well. Now the next meal is my favorite meal. So you have pulao, you have mach, that's my favorite, katla mach, as well as salad. I think it theke bhalo combination amar jonne kichu hoy na. Also you have some fish fingers over here, 2 pieces like I've mentioned earlier. And eta jeta tomra dekhcho ami mistake korechi, ager meal jeta chilo the chicken meal, that also has a vegetable by the side which I skipped somehow. Etogulo khabar chilo je it's a little difficult for me. So this one has carrots, cauliflowers, potato, paneer. It's basically a mixed veg. So halka kore mixed veg ta age ami ekhane niye nichchi. Just bear in mind this is not going to be with this combo. Jeta dekhe already bujhte pare jabe je eta kemon combo holo je tumi pulao er sathe mixed veg khaccho. Jagge. So here's the pulao. Khub kom nobo ami. That's pretty much it. Quantity is also pretty good, okay? Most of the things, it's a combo. Mostly combos are for one person. If you're looking to feed 2 people with one combo, that's not going to be possible. So you'll need to keep that in mind. But if you're ordering a couple of combos, I think that is sufficient for 2 to 3 people. That's for sure. Okay, before I take the finger, let's have the salad as well. So you have your tomatoes, onions, chili, as well as a lemon. That is a pretty welcome thing for me. Let's look at the fish finger first. This is good. I'll tell you of a conversation which I had with the owner last, I think 2 nights back, yes. So we were discussing what kind of menu to set for today, and without any thinking whatsoever, I knew that this is one combination which is obviously going to be there in my menu. But he was a little skeptic about it because he told me that আমরা যে মাছটা বানাই ওটা ফ্রেশ আমরা কিনে সকালে কিনে বানাই বা আগের দিনে কিনে বানাই. So he wasn't sure about the availability of good quality betki, which is why he said that he might not be able to send me this. Now although I was a little upset at that time, I totally understand the logic, the thinking behind it, and I truly give them credit for actually maintaining this thing. If something is not available, it's better that you actually put it as out of stock or refuse to a customer than somehow arrange for something which might be a little substandard. So this is one thing which, it's a cue which all of the restaurants in town or anywhere else must follow. হালকা করে আমি তোমাকে আগে সবজি আবার সবজি বললাম, ভেজিটেবল রিভিউটা দিয়ে দিই. Fresh vegetables, it has the crunchiness. Since they are also using a lot of seasonal vegetables, I think it's pretty good. So that is one thing which gives them a kind of an edge, that all of these items are prepared from home. It's homemade, home style. So anyone who's looking for better options in Koshba Picnic Garden area, I think this place is a pretty good option for them. একবার কাতলা মাছের সাইজটা তোমাদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিই. Pretty big. Only issue is আমার কিন্তু পেটি পিস ভালো লাগে. They've given me a different piece, but I had forgotten to tell them that, so I'll give them that. But it's a pretty big piece. Just look at the freshness of this, guys. amazing. This fish is very fresh. So that was my experience today. Pretty good lunch which we've had. Honestly, it was a little unexpected because they are relatively new in this field, and I am actually blown over by the quality which they're given. Everything aside, food, a lot of places we try out really good food, so that's not a surprise to me. But the kind of quality which they've maintained is amazing. Hats off if the owners are watching. I'm sure you guys are watching. So well done, but you need to maintain this one. It's not about doing this only for once, only for one occasion. It needs to be given to everyone who's going to be ordering henceforth. Jada jada tumra dekhcho, jada picnic garden othoba Koshba area theke dekhcho. If you guys want to order, please go ahead. My personal favorite was definitely the chicken meal. That was amazing. But even the Chinese as well as the pulao combination was not bad at all. It was pretty good, pretty good. But if you have to order one thing for sure, that's going to be the chicken meal. They're going to be available on Swiggy and Zomato as well, so you can take a look there. I'm going to be providing the details, including the number, etc., in the description box below as well, so you can definitely refer to those. And yeah, a pretty good day. A lot of your suggested places are going to be covered up soon because the lockdown has been extended. You're going to be seeing a lot of vlogs coming up from a lot of different places. You can stay tuned for that. Tomorrow we have another special place sending us food, so I am a little nervous as well as excited for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. I hope all of you are keeping safe. Please do the same. And yeah, until next time, this is me wrapping up. Cheers.